chairman of the JFF's technical committee and the recent advisor to the recent Reggae Boys coach, Steve McLaren, Mr. Rudolph Speid is now officially the interim head coach of the Reggae Boys, specifically for the crucial World Cup qualifying playoffs coming up next March. And all hell is breaking loose in local football. All and sundry, except Mr. Speid and his family, are saying it is wrong. Mr. Speid hired himself. He was a part of the system. It's a conflict of interest and blah, blah, blah. My take is that yes, Mr. Speid was very much a part of the process. He hired the coach, he stuck by the coach, and in the end advised the coach to the embarrassing point of failure. Now, this situation is far from perfect. But again, this is not a new campaign. It is maximum 2 games. So in the interest of continuity, Mr. Speid put up his hand and said, yes, they fumbled, but he wants a chance to fix it. Now, if he don't fix it, then the Maverick will show him the exit.